Hello. Let me put this thing aside so you might be able to see me. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Belgian Beer Brothers channel. Cedric here. Today not with a brew review but with another unboxing, and it won't be the last one for this year. I promised you guys that I would have an announcement this week. Well, this is announcement number 1. I am gonna do, again, not 1 but 2 advent calendars this year. So starting from December 1st up until Christmas Eve, December 24th, I will be having not 1 but 2 beers, and I have no idea how to prepare for this as usual, because these are advent calendars, these are surprise beers. What does that mean? That means that I am not gonna be heating this studio because I want to keep my beers cold. Luckily it is winter time, so they will be quite cold. But yesterday the first one arrived. Which one am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna keep the second one a secret until it is here. It should be arriving next week. But the first one is the Mr. Hops Advent Calendar, same one that I did last year. And I was actually a fan. I got some really cool surprises. Maybe a bit much of some styles, but yeah, nothing bad, right? I can tell you one thing about the other advent calendar: it will not be the Brussels Beer Project one. I did that one like 3 or 4 times by now, and since it's been pretty much the same every time over, actually only the first one was interesting, and after that they got pretty boring, so I'm not gonna do that one. Which one am I gonna do? Well, like I said, the Mr. Hop one. I am so excited that this one arrived last week already, but I got this delivered at my mom's house, so that's why I'm only unboxing it right now. I just opened the lid because I saw that there was a nick in the box here, so I wanted to check for damages. But yeah, let's discover this thing with me. So, first off, looks neat, but we have some cards on top. I think this is a generic card that everyone gets. Sunday, December 1st up until December 24th. 24 days, 24 beers, and everything you want to know about the beers. That's cool, and they have this QR code, so that's probably where they put the info. So at least I'll know something about the beers. 24 Tagen, 24 Bieren, alles was du über die Bier wissen mochtest. Yeah, I don't speak German. Here you can also see that the theme of this year is space, apparently. And this is a surprise to me. I got a Christmas card from Mr. Hop, and this is a handwritten personal card. Such a cool surprise. Now, maybe I should tell the backstory. I got into the Mr. Hop Advent Calendar because of Yo Turbo. I will put a link to his channel up here. He's not reviewing anymore, but Yo kind of became a friend of mine. We had some drinks several times together, and I ordered this advent calendar as well, but last year, unfortunately, it got, well, damaged or stolen, because our postal associate, who I actually sued this year because he's a fuckwit and he keeps doing this shit, he actually just left this on my driveway, and it got stolen. I hope it got damaged. The people of Mr. Hop were friendly enough to send me a new one, and that is why I had like a week delay. But this year they were way on time, like I said last week. So what does this card say? Hey Cedric, I hope you're happy with our Advent Calendar 24. If you're doing YouTube reviews again, let us know. Cheers. So I don't know why they want to know, but I'll send them an email. Absolutely love this. Actually, I'm just gonna put this here already. First Christmas card of the year. Thanks a lot, Mr. Hop. And then look at that beauty. It's a bit eclectic to my taste, but I do see the beauty in this. Now I'm gonna try to unbox this as elegantly as possible. I already hear the can shifting. So that's a one. Now here we have, oh, it's symmetrical. That's cool. So space beer case, Mr. Hop with the well-known website, and this is where it happens. Explore the Brewiverse. Okay, let's explore the Brewiverse. I've already found number one. We've already located the first beer. I shouldn't really, should I? So this is what you guys can expect starting December 1st. This one and another advent calendar. I am very, very curious. I remember the banana marshmallow beer by Zuidkraft. I remember the Dutch Bargain, which really impressed me. And I did see the brewery list for this year as well. Spoiler, Zuidkraft and Dutch Bargain will both be in there again, as well as some foreign, and I say foreign as in not Dutch breweries, because for me they're practically all foreign. So yeah, I'm so stoked. Maybe it's not a good thing that they delivered it that early, because I really want to start. But nonetheless, I still have some beers planned for you guys until December 1st. So I am gonna close this up again, just to be, not to be too tempted. I'm gonna put this next to the desk, and I will see you guys again on Saturday with another brew review. So, as usual, until next time, see you guys on Saturday with another brew review. Probably something from the Spanish stash, I don't know yet. Cheers, you guys.